Hi friends, today I am making South Indian restaurant style Rava Kesari or Kesari Bath. Follow the step and you will make a perfect and delicious Rava Kesari in a few minutes. You need 1 cup of sugar and half cup of Bombay Rava and quarter cup of ghee, but for half cup of Rava you can take half cup of ghee. It's your choice. And here I've taken raisins and cashews and half teaspoon of cardamom powder and color of your choice. Here I'm adding quarter cup of ghee and add cashews and raisins. When raisin starts to puffs up, add half cup of Bombay Rava and roast it in a low flame for 5 minutes till you get the light brown color. Now add 1.5 cup of hot water because I've taken half cup of rava. So for half cup of rava you have to add 1.5 cup of hot water. Now the rava has been cooked well. Now add 1 cup of sugar and mix well. While adding sugar to a cooked rava, the lump will form. Smash it with a spoon or you can use a hand beater or a whisk. The sugar is dissolved and you will get a soft texture. Now you can add a food color. Here I am adding yellow color and half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. At the end, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Don't forget this step because this will enhance the flavor. And cook it in a low flame for 2-3 minutes and the Rava Kesari is ready. Recently I have uploaded the French toast and banana cake recipe. The link will be in the description box below. The 1 cup measurement detail will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching.